I don't like travel, and FI forces you to travel.
Yes, you must travel. We must.
We come to your house and we burn it down and force you to go nomadic. That's part of the terms and conditions you accepted when you go to our blog.
One of the attendees of Rebel Finance School came to us and said, I'm sorry, I'm going to quit the course. This isn't for me. And we said,
why?
Why? What's happened? Like, what have we done? What have we said? Like, I'm sure we can figure this out. And she said, I don't want to travel. I just want to be in my town, in my house. I really enjoy where I live, and I don't want to travel. And you say that I have to travel. I'm like, no. That's what we've chosen to do with our time and what Kristy and Bryce love to do. But you can do what you want to do. The whole point of financial independence is the freedom to choose. And you don't have to travel. That's something that people choose to do because they enjoy it and because they want to explore the world. But if that's not for you, don't do it.
I'm famous for saying the extraordinary belongs to those that create it. And then people get really weird and go, oh, I don't want extraordinary, or I don't want this, or I don't want that. And I'm like, well, you've missed the point. Extraordinary means different to someone else. So if your version of extraordinary is like your house and looking after your kids and having dinner every night around the dining room table, that is extraordinary. If your version of extraordinary is finding a job you love and doing that, you don't have to quit your job, you can do your job. It's whatever it means to you. The whole point of financial independence is to choose how you want to live.